Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your GMC Savana. First, make sure your vehicle is in park for safety. Then, grab your phone and turn on its Bluetooth discovery mode. Next, access your Savana's infotainment system and locate the main menu. This initial setup is quick and gets us ready for pairing. Once in the main menu, tap on the phone or Bluetooth icon. You'll then see an option to add device or pair new device. Select that. Now, look at your phone's Bluetooth settings. You should see your GMC Savana appear in the list of available devices. Tap on it to begin the connection. After selecting your Savana, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your vehicle's screen and your phone. Double-check that these numbers match exactly. Then, confirm the pairing request on your phone. Your device should now show as successfully connected to your GMC Savana, ready for use. With your phone connected, you can now enjoy hands-free calling, allowing you to stay focused on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly through the vehicle's speakers. Use your steering wheel controls to manage calls and adjust your audio experience effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.